Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Your Amazon registry exists, has an address, and at least one eligible item added. Once done, open the registry dashboard and select the completion discount panel. This is where you enable the offer. Make sure to choose the discount percentage and the duration. These determine customer incentive and inventory timing. You'll also confirm eligibility rules because only select categories and vendors qualify. This gets you from setup to the first actionable step quickly, avoiding wasted clicks. Now configure details precisely. Pick the discount rate, set start and end dates, and apply the offer to chosen items. Once selected, review each item's eligibility. Amazon blocks some categories and third-party sellers. Confirm stock status to prevent surprises. Then use the registry preview and simulate checkout to verify the discounted price appears correctly. If multiple items qualify, prioritize best sellers to maximize uptake. Make these choices deliberately because they affect visibility, and finish by enabling the offer and saving changes. Then monitor registry analytics to see impressions and conversions. You should promote the registry, share the link via email or social, and call out the completion discount so guests act. Once live, check orders and shipping eligibility. If the discount doesn't appear, revisit seller restrictions, item category, and stock. Those are the usual culprits. If needed, disable and reapply the discount to force a refresh. This final sweep ensures the discount works and guests can redeem it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.